malaman natin kung saan ba nanggaling yung koneksyon ni Trillanes sa Beijing. Paano siya nagkaroon ng koneksyon doon? Mismo ako. Naging guest ako ng Beijing. Wala akong koneksyon na kagaya ni Trillanes. Paano siya nagkaroon ng koneksyon na gano'n na pwede niyang lapitan ang mga pinuno ng China nung panahon na yun? Pati Presidente Aquino, palagay ko, wala siyang ganong koneksyon. Bakit si Trillanes ay nagkaroon ng koneksyon na gano'n? Yun ang isang misteryo na hanggang ngayon dapat malaman kung anong kasagutan.
I do not demean or belittle our armed forces. Ang akin lang, sir, it is really a wonder to me why, of course, it's only President Aquino who can answer it, why he chose a military man to do the back channeling. And the problem is it was so secretive, almost a sub rosa type of negotiation that was kept secret. Now you can name the people, we can insist on knowing the people, pero yung tataguan mo, sir, yung anong developments doon. And this is really my $64 question to everybody.
The mystery, Mr. President, to me was why Trillanes and not someone else?
From the the foreign service.
Why Trillanes? Of the senators who were incumbent at the time, why was Trillanes selected as the negotiator for Aquino? And where did Trillanes get the influence over some authorities in Beijing in those days?
Yes, sir. I understand
that is the puzzle to me.
He traveled to China 16 times, and during his last visit, the 16th visit, shortly, sir, but 2 days after, we lost the Scarborough Shoal.
Maybe he should explain to the nation how he got that kind of an influence to be able to reach out to the higher ups in China.